Hi everybody, welcome back. Now this is not a product endorsement, but this is a genuine, honest opinion on a product that we're using right now to clean the awning. And the awning at the moment, as you can see, we're parked under trees and we've had pigeons all week who have been doing what pigeons do best. Waking us up at 4 o'clock in the morning and pooping on the roof of our awning. So we've been using this IsaClean. Nando's done the majority of the awning already. I did the sides before you shout that I don't do anything. Andrew's done the majority of it, and I'm going to swing the camera around now and I'm going to film for you how this stuff works. We've sprayed it on, we've let it soak for a little while, and I'm going to show you exactly what it does.
Hang on, I gotta get down there now. Right.
Look at that, that's astonishing.
And the thing is normally when we've had an awning under a sappy tree, you can't get it off.
No.
So this has actually made our lives so much easier.
Oh, it's unbelievable. It really does just wipe off.
Yeah.
Now, I'll be honest with you, I can't say that that is 100% this, or this Isabella is a clean all year round product, and the product, the fabric I should say, on the awning itself. But maybe the combination of the two. All I can tell you is that using this on that to get rid of that works for us. So that's IsaClean all year. There are other ones available. Like I said, this is an endorsement, this isn't anything like that, but my god, what a product, eh? Well, until next time, see you next then. Bye now.
Hello everyone, what's our channel about? Well, primarily it's about owning, maintaining and using our 30-year-old Citroen motorhome. Our travels often take us to places where we can enjoy various outdoor activities. I also dabble in making art with my airbrush, and we'll show you that too. Why not pop over and take a look?